Alrighty, quick little update on the ute. Sorry it's been so long, but a lot's happened. So I'll start with what's changed in the engine. As you can see, a fair bit. It's got a new turbo, new headers, or new intake, the intercooler, and then the intake plenum. Yeah, but there's actually an even bigger change. I rolled the Korea, so it's a Mazda Bravo now. So I'll show you the Korea, but this is my new Bravo. It's taken me months to get to where it is now. I'll film the Korea and I'll give you a gaze at that. So yeah, as you can see, I made a bit of a doozy of it, but you know, it turned out to be a silver lining. See, it's not finished yet, but she's a beaut. It's pretty well everything off the old ute. Still getting the interior back together, but got some pillar gauges now. Same, no, they're actually new gauges too. Give you a quick look at those. Yeah, so it's all pretty tidy really. So yeah, there's the new gauges. So I've boosted up the top, exhaust temp in the middle, and then water temp down the bottom. Still putting the interior back together. That's it, it's all pretty neat. I ripped out any wiring old mate had done before me. But yeah, it's running. I'm almost just about to get it registered. Yeah, so there she is. I'll show you the back as well, but yeah, silver lining, like it's a bit of an upgrade. It's got some stuff in different places, like I like the tray. Yeah, and if you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. Let me know you're still watching.